Hi, and welcome to the Hauslane channel. I'm Marco. Today I'm presenting our top-selling range hood, the UC-B018. Next to me is the 30-inch model. This is a convertible under-cabinet range hood packed with 3-way venting and hybrid filters. It's perfect for a ductless kitchen. And also, it will fit under any cabinet. In today's video, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be unpacking it and then also installing it. Okay, let's cut open the box and take the range out. Now that we got it out of the box, remember you also have your user manual. It also comes with the hybrid filter. It has a film here that needs to be removed before installing. After you do that, you have the Baffert filter in the front and the aluminum filter in the back, which catches all the grease, but is also dishwasher safe. Also, we have these bright LED lights coming across. So all your parts are inside this panel. So you want to remove the panel. You want to unscrew it, like so. And here are your parts. So once we open the box, what we find inside is the 7-inch round adapter. We have the standard rectangular adapter. We also have the aluminum tape. And we have the wired nuts with the screws. This range hood comes attached with a single motor. In addition, you can buy separately a charcoal filter that sits on top of the hybrid filter. Let's talk about the 3 venting system that we have. First, we have the rectangular adapter, which can go in the back. Secondly, the adapter can also go on top. Our third option is the 7-inch circular adapter, which also sits on top. Also, if you want, you can use the recirculation option. If that's the case, you're going to have to remove this front panel. So you want to get your screwdriver and remove these 2 screws. Easy. So this is a really good option if you want to upgrade your microwave range hood.